Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm collaborating with Curlsqueen, and if you want to see how my hair went from this to this, keep on watching. Curlsqueen sent over their 4A, 4B clippings to try out. Plus, they sent me a detangling brush, a set of extra clips, and a double-sided adjustable satin bonnet. These bundles are their 16-inch Water Kinky Coily clip-ins, and they come in a 10-piece set for a full head, and they are double weft. They also are thick and full from top to end, and they are true to length. I recommend washing the hair before using it, and this is where you'll see the true length and its curl pattern. Okay, it's time to prep my hair. I'm just doing a very lazy wash and go. Now you can braid your hair down, but I'm not going to braid my hair at this length because forced braids and clip-ins will cause way too much tension on my scalp. Now I'm sectioning off my hair for a middle part, but you'll later see why I switched it to the side part. These bundles come in different sizes. This one is a 5-clip piece, and you'll see that it has 2 5 clips, 2 4 clips, 2 3 clips, and 4 2 clips. I'm just opening up the combs, attaching them to my hair, and then closing them up. I'm going to repeat this process with the 4 clip, then the 3 clip, and then the 2 clips at the top. This hair is very full. I actually had to find another spot for this last piece. And you don't have to worry about your track falling down. These clips are very sturdy. It's time to define these curls. I'm just using water, a leave-in conditioner, and gel. To really get these curls to pop, I'm just using the raking, smoothing, and coiling method. Here I'm just showing you how much shrinkage you're going to get with this texture. Now on to styling and blending my leave out. Here things got a little tricky, but I had a feeling that my hair was not going to stay laid down at this length. So I tried pinning it down and drying it, but it just did not work out. But don't worry, I do have a solution. See, my hair blended well. It's a great match with these clip-in textures, but it just would not stay laid down. I quickly ditched the middle part. I repositioned all the ones at the top in a straight row going all the way forward. I'm slicking back my edges so it can be hidden with the flip over method and a side part, and then you'll see that I'm gonna help my hair lay down with some bobby pins. I'm gonna let this dry overnight and I'll come back in the morning to show you the end results. Y'all, I'm so glad I switched to the side part. This is actually how I used to wear my hair before I cut it. This hair is so soft and so bouncy, and it's kind of giving it's from my scalp. If you want to try out Curlsqueen hair, you can click the link in my description and you can use the code MAFR for money off. As always, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.